Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to YouTube channel Cloudy Malakand. In this tutorial, we will say about Saudi Riyal price rates. Today is 7th of August 2019, Wednesday. So let's get started. Today we will start from Injaz Bank rates that Injaz Bank gave 1 Saudi Riyal rate per Indonesia 3717.47 rupiah and per Sri Lanka 46.39 rupee and per Philippines 13.70 peso. Paurim Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3718.81 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.40 rupee and for Philippines 13.74 peso. ANB Arab National Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3448.27 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.25 rupee and for Philippines 13.50 peso. Al-Raji Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3717.47 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.62 rupee and for Philippines 13.65 peso. After this, we will say about Express Money, that what is the rate of Express Money. So Express Money gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3717.47 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.62 rupee and for Philippines 13.65 peso. Western Union gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3745.38 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.93 rupee and for Philippines 13.62 peso. MoneyGram gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3751.43 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.41 rupee and for Philippines 13.84 peso. In the last, we will say about Riyadh Bank rates, that Riyadh Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3067.48 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.30 rupee and for Philippines 13.67 peso.